What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 pancake gadgets. Let's see what I got. First of all, we'll have to mix pancake bacon mix, and we got a couple of gadgets for that. You know what, this is just a butter dispenser, not even a mix. For a second I thought there was a mix at the same time. So all it is just a dispenser. Okay, that's pretty cool, we'll put that to the test. But this one is a bottle dispenser and a mixer at the same time. Let's see which one is a better dispenser. Obviously this one wins already, because at the same time it's a mix as well. We're gonna just follow the recipe and mix some butter. Okay, it's calling for 2 cups of pancake mix. Put it into the mixer. Not bad. Spilled it a little bit, but it works. Second one. I wish the opening was a bit bigger. Then I'm gonna put 2 eggs. Whoops. Then I'm gonna stick this in here, and the milk I'm gonna put to the other side. And 1 cup of milk. Okay, let's see how well it's going to mix, and hopefully it does not leak. Remember those shake weights? This is pretty much the same thing. It is actually pretty tiring, but yeah, the pancake mix looks pretty good. So now I'm going to close it back up, now that I saw what's going on. Now what I'm going to do, open this, and this is how I'm going to dispense the dough out. Okay, let's make some pancakes, see if it actually works. Okay guys, there goes nothing. So I'm going to put it upside down and pour it. Very nice. It's gonna spread a little bit. It's only going to fit 3 of them. So you can just go like that. It's nice. And then they're going to spread out a bit. Deformed pancakes, but you know, this is what pancakes looks like. I like really small pancakes, like Russian pancakes are usually very small ones. I don't like huge pancakes. In Russian we call them oladyi or oladushki. Looks like my pancake is burning, but it's okay. Первый блин комом. So you might have noticed, what am I using? Guess what? For the next gadget I got here blin flipper or oladiki flipper. So as you can see, it is very soft, and that way it is really easy to flip. Okay guys, this looks like all done. I really love this gadget because it slides right under, and then it has big surface to flip it. Yeah, the first one didn't work out as well as I would like for it to work out, but oh well. Second one will be much better. I'll tell you what, this is definitely much easier to pour out. This is not exactly Russian pancakes, because the dough is completely different, but the size of them is pretty similar. Am I running out of dough? I should have made way more dough. I mean, there is still quite a bit of dough left. It's just because it has to sit down here, all the dough goes down this way, and there's quite a bit in there. So I wish it would be actually standing upside down like that, and so the dough is easier to dispense. But oh well. This time I try not to let them burn. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Oops, fail a bit. I feel like this would be perfect for the crepes, but with pancakes is not too bad either. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. I do like this gadget, makes it pretty easy to flip them. But yeah, that's the size I like. This one's turned out way too big. Okay, time to take them off. I love how it goes in and then bends for you, so that way you don't have to like slide it in, but all you have to do is just push it, slide it under, lift it. super nice. With crepes it probably will work even better for sure. Okay, I'm done with this one for now. Let's put to the test this pancake dispenser. I made some dough. I'm not gonna make a lot of dough. I just wanna put to the test of couple pancakes, and this is what I'm talking about. This is probably will be easier to dispense because it stays on the bottom always. All I have to do is just press it, put pancake in, press it, stop it. This is again, one was way too big. This is kind of cool. I like it. Actually, I can hold it and it's not pressing it by mistake. I was worried it would. Now I can just put it to the side, and whenever the pancakes are ready, I can do it one more time. Time to scoop up my оладушки. Two at the time, no problem. One more, beautiful. For the next gadget, I got here a CNN TV Perfect Pancakes. Let's see how it works. You got here pancake form like this, and you can grab it by this thing, and then we'll have to flip it. So let's try to use it real quick. It is almost not big enough because I can see this side and this side is being lifted. Let me try to see if I can find a bigger pan. It seems like it fits a little bit better in a square pan, but again I can see it's lifted, so I don't have any bigger pan. It better work. Going to use my pancake dispenser. Look how cool that is. Probably too much, but you know what, hopefully it don't come out anyways because it's pancake. It is pretty thick dough. Maybe it doesn't even need to be touching all the way. Hopefully it'll be just fine. But yeah, I'm pretty addicted pouring pancake dough like this. Look at that, pouring it. Oh, I need to stop. All I have to do is let go and it stops. Set it down, ready to go again. I do see some pancake dough coming out over there and over there, but for the most part it's not too bad. If you have a bigger pan, probably wouldn't have a problem because this one is touching all the way to the bottom and I don't think it's spilling out the dough. But anyways, let's see what happens. Okay guys, I think it's a little bit of a fail. Oh no! Some of them have fell out. You know what, let me try this again. I'm just gonna do the middle because those are the only ones that is touching all the way. Okay, it's burning again. Let's flip it. Oh no, I definitely did burn this time. Oh well, you can't even see them. But anyways, makes sense, right? This thing works pretty good. Then you flip the pancakes out and make some more. Ooh, it's hot. Just don't burn it. And then you have here perfect pancakes. This is nice. I like this gadget. I just wish I had a bigger pan. And for the last pancake gadget, we have here emoji pen. Let's see if it actually works. Going to preheat it, and this time I'm not gonna leave it. I just got distracted for a second, that's why I burned these ones. But look how perfect they are if they're not burnt. They look so cute. Okay, let's pour some pancake mix in there. Or pancake dough. Hopefully I don't overfill it. Kind of pours out. Interesting. I like this side here. It's going to be a really thin ones. This side here works the best with this kind of gadgets together. The dispenser. Probably should add on a little bit more right here. Good. Okay, looks like they're cooked. Let's flip them. Oh, look at that. There you go, smiley face over here. Ooh, this one is nice. Some of them turn out a bit better than the other ones. Depends. But that's not bad. Okay, let's see if the other side got a face as well. You know what it did? There's a little bit of a giggly face, but the first side turned out way better. Oh wow, look at that. It's pretty good too, but I like this side a bit better. Once again, maybe you can cook it a bit longer, But it makes sense. It does a really good job. At least on one side, which is most important. Look at this smiley face. I like it a lot. Look how well it turned out. You know what? This is a really cool gadget. I'm definitely going to use it in the future. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.